Nature is home to thousands of remarkable snake species, each perfectly adapted to its environment. In today's video, we'll introduce you to 13 incredible snakes from around the world, revealing where they live, what they eat, and the unique traits that make each one truly fascinating. Let's begin our adventure. Number 01. Green snake. This is the green snake, a slender and beautifully camouflaged reptile found in forests, woodlands, and dense vegetation across many parts of the world, depending on the species. Resting quietly among damp leaves and low branches, it constantly flicks its forked tongue to collect scent particles from the air. These scent particles are analyzed through a special organ in the roof of its mouth, allowing it to detect prey, predators, and even potential mates. Its vibrant green scales blend perfectly with surrounding leaves, making it almost invisible in its natural habitat. Green snakes feed mainly on insects, frogs, small lizards, spiders, and occasionally tiny nestling birds. They are quick, agile hunters that rely on speed and precision rather than strength. Most green snakes are harmless, or only mildly venomous to humans, and prefer escaping instead of fighting. As cold-blooded reptiles, they spend time basking in the morning sun before becoming active throughout the day. Their remarkable camouflage and graceful movements make them one of nature's most fascinating hidden predators. Number 02. Yellow bush viper. This is the yellow bush viper, a striking tree-dwelling snake native to the tropical rainforests of Central Africa. Perched silently on a branch, its bright yellow scales blend surprisingly well with sunlit leaves and forest vegetation, creating one of the most effective camouflage displays in the reptile world. Covered with rough, keeled scales, its body appears almost spiky, giving it a unique appearance unlike most other snakes. The yellow bush viper feeds on small mammals, birds, frogs, and lizards. Rather than chasing prey, it relies on patience, remaining completely motionless for hours or even days before striking with incredible speed. Its venom affects blood clotting and body tissues, making its bite medically serious for humans. Despite this, the snake is generally shy and rarely attacks unless disturbed. Living high among branches, it spends much of its life hidden within thick foliage, where its extraordinary camouflage protects it from predators while allowing it to ambush unsuspecting prey with deadly accuracy. Number 03. Rattlesnake. This is the rattlesnake, one of North and South America's most recognizable venomous snakes. It is commonly found in deserts, rocky hillsides, grasslands, forests, and dry scrublands. As it glides slowly across sandy ground, it continuously flicks its tongue, collecting chemical signals that help it navigate its surroundings. Between its eyes and nostrils are special heat-sensing pits capable of detecting the body heat of warm-blooded animals, even in complete darkness. Rattlesnakes feed mainly on rodents, rabbits, squirrels, and other small mammals. They are classic ambush predators, remaining perfectly still until prey comes within striking distance. Their famous rattle is made of interlocking keratin segments at the end of the tail and serves as a warning rather than an invitation to attack. Although their venom is medically significant, rattlesnakes usually avoid confrontation and prefer to retreat whenever possible. Their combination of heat vision, camouflage, and powerful venom makes them among nature's most efficient hunters. Number 04. Cobra. This is the cobra, one of the world's most iconic snakes found across forests, grasslands, wetlands, agricultural fields, and even near villages throughout Africa and Asia. When threatened, it raises the front of its body and spreads its famous hood, creating an intimidating display designed to scare away enemies before a fight even begins. This defensive posture has made the cobra one of the most recognizable reptiles on Earth. Cobras feed on rodents, birds, frogs, lizards, eggs, and even other snakes. Their neurotoxic venom attacks the nervous system, affecting breathing and muscle control. Although highly venomous, cobras rarely waste venom on unnecessary fights and usually bite only when they feel trapped or cornered. Some species can even spit venom accurately toward an attacker's eyes from several feet away as a defensive strategy. Intelligent, alert, and adaptable, the cobra has earned both fear and respect throughout history, appearing in countless myths, legends, and cultures around the world. Number 05. Albino python. This is the albino python, a breathtaking color variation of several large python species found in tropical forests and grasslands across Asia, Africa, and Australia. Its brilliant white and golden yellow pattern is caused by a rare genetic mutation known as albinism, which prevents the production of dark pigments. Although its appearance is dramatically different, it behaves just like any other python in the wild. Albino pythons feed on rodents, birds, rabbits, and other small mammals. Instead of using venom, they kill prey by wrapping powerful coils around the animal and tightening with every breath the prey exhales, eventually preventing it from breathing. Despite their impressive size, pythons are generally calm animals that prefer avoiding conflict with humans. They possess flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their own head. Excellent swimmers and skilled climbers, these magnificent constrictors are among the strongest and most fascinating snakes in the reptile kingdom.
Number 6. Spotted snake eel. This is the spotted snake eel, an unusual marine creature found along tropical and subtropical coastlines, where it inhabits sandy seabeds, coral reefs, and shallow coastal waters. Although its long, slender body closely resembles a snake, it is actually a species of eel and belongs to the fish family rather than the reptile family. Moving gracefully through the water with smooth, wave-like motions, it spends much of its life hidden beneath the sand, exposing only its head while watching for passing prey. The spotted snake eel feeds mainly on small fish, shrimp, crabs, worms, and other tiny crustaceans and surprise attacks on unsuspecting prey. If danger approaches, it can burrow tail first into the sand within seconds, disappearing almost completely. Unlike snakes, it breathes through gills and spends its entire life in the ocean. Its remarkable camouflage and burrowing ability make it one of the most fascinating hidden predators beneath the sea. Number 7. Milk snake. This is the milk snake, a beautifully patterned, non-venomous snake found across forests, grasslands, rocky hillsides, farmlands, and even suburban areas throughout North and Central America. Resting quietly beneath logs, stones, or piles of leaves, it explores its surroundings by constantly flicking its tongs. Using its excellent sense of smell and quick reflexes, it launches pseudo, collecting scent particles that help it locate prey. Its striking bands of red, black, and white closely resemble those of the highly venomous coral snake, creating an effective form of protective mimicry that discourages many predators. Milk snakes feed on rodents, mice, small birds, bird eggs, lizards, frogs, and even other snakes. As constrictors, they overpower prey by wrapping their bodies around it and squeezing until the animal can no longer breathe. Despite their bold appearance, they are gentle snakes that rarely show aggression toward humans. Mostly active during the evening and nighttime, milk snakes play an important ecological role by controlling rodent populations, making them valuable members of many natural ecosystems. Number 8. Yellow bush viper. Here's another look at the yellow bush viper, still resting silently among the branches of a humid tropical rainforest in Central Africa. At first glance, it appears almost motionless, but subtle movements of its head and tongue reveal that it is carefully monitoring every movement around it. Its rough, heavily keeled scales scatter light across its body, helping it blend naturally into the surrounding leaves and branches. This remarkable ambush predator feeds on birds, frogs, small mammals, and lizards. Rather than searching for food, it conserves energy by waiting patiently for prey to come within striking distance. Scientists have observed bush vipers remaining in nearly the same position for several days while waiting for the perfect opportunity to attack. Although highly venomous, they are shy forest inhabitants that usually avoid human contact. Their extraordinary patience, camouflage, and lightning-fast strike make them one of Africa's most specialized tree-dwelling predators. Number 9. Woma python. This is the woma python, a powerful yet surprisingly calm snake, native to the dry deserts, sandy plains, and rocky grasslands of Central Australia. Its beautiful brown and cream bands provide excellent camouflage against the dusty landscape, allowing it to disappear almost completely among rocks and loose sand. Unlike many tree-dwelling pythons, the woma spends most of its life on the ground and frequently explores underground burrows. The woma python feeds on rodents, reptiles, birds, and small mammals. It is an active hunter that often enters abandoned burrows in search of sleeping prey, using its muscular body to overpower animals in tight spaces. Like all pythons, it is completely non-venomous and kills prey through constriction before swallowing it whole. During the hottest hours of the day, it shelters underground to avoid extreme temperatures, becoming more active after sunset. Its strength, adaptability, and calm temperament have made it one of Australia's most fascinating native pythons. Number 10. Dark Grey Snake. This is a dark gray snake, commonly found in cool forests, moss-covered woodlands, rocky valleys, and damp undergrowth where its dark coloration blends naturally with fallen leaves and shaded vegetation. As it glides silently across the forest floor, it constantly flicks its forked tongue to detect chemical scents left behind by prey and other animals. Its darker scales absorb heat efficiently, allowing it to remain active even during cooler mornings and shaded conditions. Depending on the species, this snake feeds on insects, frogs, earthworms, salamanders, and other small amphibians. Rather than relying on speed alone, it often uses camouflage and stealth to approach prey unnoticed before striking with remarkable precision. Most dark gray snakes are harmless or only mildly venomous, preferring to escape rather than confront larger animals. Their quiet behavior and excellent camouflage allow them to remain hidden for much of their lives, making them one of the forest's least noticed but highly efficient predators. Number 11. Black Mamba. This is the black mamba, one of the world's fastest and most feared snakes, native to the savannas, rocky hills, open woodlands, and dense forests of sub-Saharan Africa. Despite its name, the snake is not actually black. Its body is usually olive, gray, or brown, while the inside of its mouth is deep black, a feature it displays when threatened. As it glides swiftly through the branches and across the ground, its speed and agility make it one of Africa's most efficient predators. The black mamba feeds mainly on rodents, squirrels, hyraxes, bats, and birds. Unlike many ambush predators, it actively hunts, using excellent eyesight to detect movement from a considerable distance. It can travel at speeds of up to 20 kilometers, or about 12 miles, per hour over short distances, making it the fastest land snake on Earth. Its neurotoxic venom acts rapidly by attacking the nervous system, but despite its dangerous reputation, the black mamba usually avoids humans and will only defend itself when it feels cornered. Intelligent, alert, and incredibly agile, it remains one of Africa's most remarkable reptiles. Number 12. Horned Viper. This is the horned viper, a master of desert survival found across the scorching sands of North Africa and parts of the Middle East. Perfectly adapted to life in harsh desert environments, it spends much of the day buried beneath loose sand, leaving only its eyes and the distinctive horn-like scales above them visible. These raised scales are believed to help protect the eyes from blowing sand, while also breaking up the snake's outline, making it even harder for predators and prey to detect. Number 13. Green tree python. This is the green tree python, a stunning arboreal snake native to the tropical rainforests of New Guinea, nearby islands, and northern Australia. Coiled gracefully over a tree branch, it remains perfectly still for hours, relying on its vivid green coloration to blend seamlessly into the surrounding canopy. Young green tree pythons are often born bright yellow or deep red, gradually changing to brilliant green as they mature, a transformation that helps them adapt to different stages of life. Green tree pythons feed on small mammals, birds, lizards, and occasionally bats. As ambush predators, they wait patiently for prey before launching a lightning-fast strike and securing it with powerful coils. Although completely non-venomous, they possess long, sharply curved teeth designed to grip struggling prey securely. Their muscular prehensile tail provides excellent balance while climbing through the forest canopy, allowing them to move confidently among branches. Their striking appearance, calm behavior, and exceptional camouflage have made them one of the most admired tree-dwelling snakes in the world. Harmless insect hunters, hidden among green leaves, to highly venomous predators, ruling deserts, forests, and grasslands. Snakes display an incredible variety of survival strategies. Each species has evolved unique adaptations, from perfect camouflage and heat-sensing abilities to powerful constriction and lightning-fast strikes, allowing them to thrive in some of the planet's most challenging environments. Thank you for joining us on this journey through 13 incredible snakes from around the world. If you enjoyed this wildlife adventure, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another fascinating encounter with the amazing creatures of our planet. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next adventure.